Hi there, I'm going to go over a couple of type 4 equations. This equation would be read y divided by negative 5 equals 9. Remember, a fraction bar means divide. The inverse of dividing by negative 5 is multiplying by negative 5. So I would multiply both sides by negative 5. I know that a positive 9 times a negative 5 is going to give me a negative as my answer, and 9 times 5 is 45. So the answer to this equation would be negative 45. And when I check that answer, I find that it's true. You can see we multiplied by negative 5 and negative 5, which is equal to 1. And then we have y equals negative 45. This equation would be read 13 is equal to t divided by negative 6. The inverse of dividing by negative 6 is multiplying by negative 6. So I need to take 13 times negative 6 on the left side. When I take 13 times negative 6, I get negative 78. Remember, multiplying a positive times a negative will always give you a negative value. So I have negative 78. I can check that, and it is correct. Notice what's happening on the side that has the variable. The reason that I multiply by negative 6, the reason I use the inverse operation, is that negative 6 divided by negative 6, or negative 6 over negative 6, is equal to 1, and 1 times t is just written as t. One more problem. Negative 9 is equal to w divided by negative 14. The inverse of dividing by negative 14 is multiplying by negative 14. When I take negative 9 times negative 14, my answer is going to be a positive value because a negative times a negative is a positive. And 9 times 14 is 126. So the answer to this equation is going to be 126. When I submit that and check, I see that it is true. Please let me know if you have any questions.